Humans might be walking around on top of one of the strangest oceans on Earth, and it's completely hidden under Antarctica. Ever looked at a map, seen that big white blob at the bottom called Antarctica, and thought, just ice? Well, scientists now believe there's a whole hidden water world underneath it. Lakes, rivers, and maybe something close to a buried ocean. This is Factonomy, and today we're diving under the ice, without getting cold. Antarctica is covered by an ice sheet that can be more than 3 kilometers thick, but underneath that ice is normal-looking land, mountains, valleys, basins, almost like another continent hiding under a blanket. Because the ice is so heavy and the Earth's interior is still warm, the very bottom of the ice can melt. That meltwater collects in low spots, creating subglacial lakes, and then flows through channels like underground rivers. Over the last few decades, radar and satellite measurements have revealed hundreds of these lakes and long water channels under the ice. They're not just isolated puddles, many are connected, forming a giant, slow-moving plumbing network that can stretch for hundreds of kilometers. Some scientists describe this as a kind of hidden ocean, because there's so much water and it flows, drains, and refills in cycles. Every so often, huge amounts of this water drain toward the coast and pour into the Southern Ocean, subtly changing sea levels and ocean currents. Here's where it gets really wild. Some of these lakes have been sealed off from sunlight and the atmosphere for possibly millions of years. That means any microbes living there have had to survive in total darkness, freezing temperatures, high pressure, and almost no nutrients. When scientists drill down and sample this water, they often find tiny life forms that show just how tough life can be, even in places that look completely dead. Studying this hidden Antarctic water system doesn't just tell us about Earth's climate and sea level changes, it also gives clues about where life might exist on icy worlds like Jupiter's moon Europa or Saturn's moon Enceladus, where oceans are locked beneath ice just like this. So, the next time you see Antarctica on a globe, remember, it's not just a frozen wasteland, it might be sitting on top of a secret, ancient ocean, and we're only just beginning to map it. You're watching Factonomy. If you love mind-bending truths hiding in plain sight, hit subscribe and come explore the next one.